grade 9. As you can see that this question has already been dealt with. Now, I was helping a certain student with this question, and I also advise you to also send me the questions that you think you are struggling with, and I will do videos so that they can also stretch out and help more students by one. So this question was basically asking us to prove that this line is parallel to this one. Now, that question is telling you that we are now dealing with geometry of straight lines. When you are taking notes on these videos, I'll try my best to remember to tell you what is the topic under this certain problem. Now, this one is under geometry of straight lines. That is why you will think of your fan shape. I'm not going to complete it. You remember, these are corresponding co-interior alternating. These are not equal, these two angles. They are not equal, but they are supplementary. These two, they are equal. These two are equal. I've been doing that. Just watch the videos. Now, how do we prove that these two lines are parallel? It was a complete shape though, but I was only focusing on alternating angles. Now, what I did to prove that these two lines are parallel, remember, I use alternating angles. If these two angles that are formed when these two lines are parallel and there is a transversal line, when these two angles that form a Z shape, the Z shape, if they are equal, then I have proven that these two lines are parallel. Remember, alternating angles are formed when these two lines are parallel and the angles therefore they are equal. I hope you understand. So the moment I prove that these two angles are equal, then I have proved that these two lines are parallel. Even if I use co-interior and corresponding, they are, as long as they are equal, as long as they are supplementary, then I've proven that these two lines are parallel. Now, I use alternating, as I've said, this is a Z shape, assuming, because I'm not giving, assuming that these two lines are parallel. Now, I had to first find the value of x. 3x plus 10 is equal to 2x minus 2. They are equal. Remember, for alternating a situation, when we're dealing with alternating angles, we say they are equal, right? Then 3x minus 2x is equal to values on the right, variables on the left. Then x was negative 30, right? Then when I found my value as negative 30, then I had to check what is the actual value of this angle here. Then I found out that it was negative 80. Substituting, then simplifying. I was treating this as an algebraic expression. Then again, instead of x, I put negative 30. Remember, x is negative 30. Then I found negative 80 again. As you can see that this angle is equal to that angle, which are both equivalent to negative 80. Therefore, these lines are parallel. So I just wanted to also relay this problem to you so that you can understand, because I think this is a very interesting question. Maybe you can find it on your exam to prove if the two lines are parallel. You can use corresponding angles, you can use co-interior, you can use alternating angles. You don't have to really provide reasons here, you are just proving. So this is how I proved it. Maybe there's another method. If it comes up, I'll tell you. Thank you.